This is the team to beat. The equestrian teams competing in the 2011 Southeast Asian Games know the Philippines reigned supreme when it comes to show jumping. The Philippine team bagged medals in the last two games they competed in, including the team gold in 2005. This year, the search for the gold continues. 38-year-old Olympian Tony Leviste is confident.
We're gonna arrive in Indonesia all ready and geared up for the gold.
Tony will be joined by returning SEA Games rider Joker Arroyo, Australian-based Michelle Barrera, and 21-year-old 2005 SEA Games silver medalist Diego Lorenzo. All in all, there are 8 athletes going to the SEA Games, all of whom have put in the hard work and effort needed to qualify.
While our riders train at least 1 hour every day in addition to gym time, these horses are as much part of the Philippine equestrian team as they are.
The horses do as much, if not more work, says the team. That's why the team's success depends largely on their horses' mood.
They're athletes in their own way as well, so we have to take every day as it comes. They can come out some days not feeling as well as they would the day before and come out some days thinking, yes, this is my day to win a gold medal.
And finding the perfect horse is a task, but it is the key to winning. Tony is taking Magic, the horse she has been riding for 5 years.
I feel that I know her very well and she knows me, and we're as ready as we can be.
Horses and riders join together with one goal. A goal they share not just with each other, but with the rest of the teams going to the 26th Southeast Asian Games.
We go to these kind of events with the objective of making the country proud and bringing pride to the Philippines and showing the world what we can do, not just as individuals and not just as a team, but as a nation.
Natasha Gutierrez reporting from Manila.